Did you take my hydro spanner? I left it right on this crate and now it's gone!
Can you identify the hydro spanner in question?
It's a hydro spanner! You know what a hydro spanner looks like!
Are you sure it's gone?
What? Of course it's gone! I'm staring at the crate right now!
Sure you didn't seal it up in one of the crates you're shipping out? It sounds like...
Are we all in? Good. For those who don't know me, I am Hondo Ohnaka, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Ohnaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler and a businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their fastest ships in the quantum. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and the Resistance will get the supplies they need, and maybe a little something for me.
Head all the way down, flight.
It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together now. Your lives
Orange.
My poop coil.
Yep.
Thank you.
Engineers, anything that lights up has those buttons.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
Hello, crew. Come on
For your
aboard.
safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Take off any bags,
Por
backpacks, put them on the
favor,
floor down by your
permanezcan
feet.
sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Yes, have a seat. Get your seatbelts on. Very good. You guys are set to go. If you have questions or concerns concerning the mission, just know that so do I.
Flight engineers, repair desk. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that plane.
engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's break. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for light bulbs. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ralta loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? With tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of it. It could be dangerous for the cargo. And for the crew, of course. Primarily the crew, but the cargo. Oh, you got it? Well, can we sell it? No. Anyway, time to disembark, my friends. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Let's head on out. Great job today, guys.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiees